Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to convert ETH to XRP in 2025. If you're holding Ethereum and want to switch to XRP for its lightning-fast transactions, you're in the right place. This process has evolved with new tech and regulations, making it easier than ever. Let's dive in. First off, a quick refresher. Ethereum, ETH, is the backbone of smart contracts and decentralized apps, while XRP is Ripple's coin, designed for quick, low-cost international payments. In 2025, with advancements like enhanced blockchain interoperability, converting between them is more seamless. Step 1. Choose a reputable exchange. Options like Binance, Coinbase, or the emerging Quantum Exchange are reliable. Look for ones that support both ETH and XRP and have updated for 2025's security standards. Step 2. Set up your account. Sign up. Verify your identity. It's crucial for compliance with new global crypto regs, and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Step 3. Deposit your ETH. Transfer it from your wallet to the exchange. Remember, fees might be lower in 2025 due to optimized networks, but always check current rates. Step 4. Make the trade. Go to the trading section, select ETH as your sell currency and XRP as your buy. Set your amount and execute the trade. Keep an eye on market volatility. XRP can fluctuate quickly. Step 5. Withdraw your XRP. Once the trade is complete, send your XRP to a secure wallet. Use hardware wallets for the best protection against hacks. Finally, always prioritize safety. Use strong passwords, monitor for scams, and stay updated on 2025's crypto laws. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Convert wisely, and see you next time.